Hi, it's Dr. Tim Smith from New Life Chiropractic, your Max Living doctor. We have a great event coming up, the Detox Project, on May 22nd, where we're going to really go through how to minimize toxins. So you may see here next to me the toxic pool. Most people are surrounded by a toxic pool. This includes cleaning products, personal care products, food, beverages, medications, the water you drink. It's everywhere. And toxicity is a chemical stress to your body. The more stress you have on your body, the more health-related problems you're going to have. So if you look in here, these are a lot of the common things that most people use in their daily lives. I'd say you want to go ahead and clean something here in your house. This is Lysol, very common. But this has a lot of toxins in here. When you flip it over, you always want to look at the ingredients list to see exactly what's in there. You look at some of these other things here too, Windex. This is another very popular chemical. One of the things that I like to do in regards to what's healthy for you was, would you take a drink of this? Probably not, right? Because it would make you very sick, even die. A lot of times they have warning labels on there saying, do not consume. What happens when you're cleaning with it? You see things here like Downy, something you may wash your clothes with, right? What goes on your clothes goes back in your body. Or maybe plastic containers. What do you put your food in? You put it in these plastic containers. These plastic containers have parabens, BPA, other toxins that actually leach into your food, especially if you heat it up. If you put it in the oven or you put it in the microwave. Aluminum foil. Aluminum is actually a major heavy metal neurotoxin to your brain. And if you're using foil to cook food in or put things on again, that can actually get into your body, get into your brain, and affect your normal function. What about things you cook with? Vegetable oil here, hydrogenated vegetable oil, full of what's called omega-6s, very inflammatory, and these are oxidated fats, which means they clog up your arteries and they clog up your cells. So you can go through this one by one. You may recognize many of these different products and wonder, what do I do? Well, that's exactly why we're doing this Detox Project event on May 22nd here at the office in Rockland, California, to teach you about where are these toxins living in your life and what are the natural alternatives that you can start using and how to actually cleanse that toxic burden out of your body to reduce and eliminate that chemical stress so you can experience a higher level of health and wellness from the inside out. So make sure you're checking that out, joining us for that event. You can learn more information at newlifechiropracticevents.com.